Alright, so what we've got here today is an SMC Rivera. So I got this fan off of Facebook Marketplace for free, and I believe it's from March of 2001. Now, some of you might be asking me, what the hell even is this, and why would I get it? Well, this is, to answer your first question that you probably have, or maybe not, this is one of those rather uncommon SMC models. I believe these were sold at Kmart around the late 90s to the early 2000s. And to answer your second question as to why I would get it, is because these are kind of childhood for me. Now, if you remember a while ago, I uploaded a very old video from around 2011 of the fans that were installed in my aunt's old house. You might remember at the near the end of the video were two of these. Now, this one is a little bit different than those two. This one uses the Graton motor, which is what I like to call it because it's the same exact motor design as the Antimate Graton. I believe those ones used slightly bigger motors. The mounting, not the mounting, but the canopy is a little bit different, and I believe the switch housing is also different as well. And I believe the switch housings on those ones were a little bit longer. But other than that, it's basically the same thing. So, yeah. Alright, now without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate it. Here's the light. And those are not the original bulbs that it came with. It didn't come with any, so I just decided to put in 3 CFL bulbs, because, well, I just felt like it. Alright, now here's low. Alright, now here's medium. Okay, now here's high. Alright, and there you have it. That is my SMC Rivera, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.